I just got an email from ThriveCart that there is a new integration with ThriveCart and Flodesk. I haven't set it up yet, but I'm so excited for this. So we are going to set this up together for ThriveCart and Flodesk integration. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our ThriveCart homepage, our dashboard, and then you're going to hit the picture icon, your profile, go to integrations. Then you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see Flodesk. So we're going to go integrate now. Then it says you have not authorized ThriveCart to access your Flodesk account. So we want to authorize that. So we're going to go authorize with Flodesk. Then you're going to sign into Flodesk and then hit allow. Congratulations, ThriveCart has authorized to access your Flodesk account. You are now able to add users to your Flodesk segment as they go through your checkouts. Head to the settings for a particular product to set it up. And then you can deauthorize your account and go back. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect your products to your settings in Flodesk so that you can have them automatically added to segments and workflows in Flodesk.